Hey guys, it's Victor and welcome back to another video on my channel. Today, as you can tell from the title of the video, I'm gonna be making eyeshadow palette. So this is the progress I've made so far. This is what it looks like. Okay, so basically my art teacher told us that we had to do a project. She told us that we had to make something like a packaging design for a product. I've been watching a ton of like James Charles and Freestar. Yes, a stroke of inspiration to make a packaging for an eyeshadow palette. What I'm doing is a beehive. It's like a beehive themed eyeshadow palette. So the shape is gonna be a hexagon, like in the beehive, you know, you can see all these hexagon shapes everywhere where they put all their honey or whatever. That's what we're gonna do in today's video. Basically me making this eyeshadow palette out of cardboard. So this is the mess I made. Don't ask why there's like a freaking yoga mat in the middle of my room. I was gonna do stretches, but that didn't happen. So basically what I'm gonna do now is take a piece of art block which I cut out into this hexagon grid, and I'm gonna be like overlaying it over the top of the mounting board. It's gonna look bomb, okay? Let's do this thing. I haven't showed you guys my plan yet. Okay, so basically, this is what the outside is gonna move, bitch. This is oh my god. This is what the outside of the packaging is gonna look like. Basically, it's gonna be like this bee logo. I totally got this off Pinterest with the words "Be Beautiful." Oh, see what I did there? See what I did there? Oh. Honeycomb pattern that's, you know, a little bit scattered everywhere. And then the back is gonna have this logo, which I also copied from Pinterest, and the expiry dates and the barcode. Inside, it's gonna look like this. I mean, it looks a little bit crappy and it's upside down, but whatever. The container, I'll call them containers, okay? I know I'm using the wrong term, don't get triggered. The containers are gonna be hexagon shape. Obviously, this drawing is like really unsymmetrical. Fine, it looks like this. Okay, come on, I have the thing here. It looks like this, okay? This is the inside. I already drew it all, so that's that. And then there's gonna be in the background this like honey dripping off, like, you know, cascading down, and there's gonna be a mirror here. Okay, so I think by now it should be dry. So this is what it looks like. This material is actually mounting board. I don't know if I mentioned it just now. Basically I drew the hexagon. I'll get started on the inside, which is the eyeshadow. This cardboard piece, this cardboard hexagon, and put it on the back of this art block which I already made. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this. It has the exact same measurements as the inside, and I'm just gonna flop that here. And ta-da, there's the eyeshadow palette. Oh, the hexagons where I marked X's are where all the actual eyeshadows are going to be placed. So the rest of these are just going to be a sort of design feature, but these are actually going to be the actual eyeshadows. So in total, there are, I think, going to be 16. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, 16 eyeshadow colors in total. So finally, after 6 years, I've managed to complete cutting out all the stuff. So it's great. I mean, it looks a little bit ugly, but I'm gonna cover it up. So I'm gonna hide it. Hey, I was watching YouTube. Don't judge me. So a layer of art block below it, so that when I put it over, it's easier to paint and the colors will stand out more. Okay, so if you're wondering why I'm wearing another shirt, it's because it's the next day. I'm completely done with this. I already put the art block under here, so you can see like this slight, you know, descent here. And I drew the design for the front cover, so this is what it's gonna look like. I mean, it looks kind of shitty right now, but I swear it's gonna look good when I paint it. So yeah, only a few more things to go, then I'm more or less done. Hi! Okay, so it's been like 3 days and I finished the whole thing. I said I was gonna film it, and I'm also wearing this ugly shirt. Wait, let me go change. But, okay, much better. Okay, I know I said I was gonna show you guys the process of like painting the eyeshadow palette, but I just got carried away doing it, and I was like, I completely forgot that I was recording a video about this, so I just did everything. So ta-da! This is the end result. It looks kind of shitty. Oh my god, in camera, it looks so good in real life, I swear. But this is the end result. So I'm gonna show you guys my new eyeshadow palette, which this is the front. There's a B in the front, obviously, as you can tell. There's the words Be Beautiful. Mine is more like honeycombs, like hexagon shapes, and some of these, I know it isn't obvious, but some of these actually are slightly sticking out, like slightly popping out because I pasted. The back also looks really great, nice ombre moment happening. This is the logo, a B logo, cause freaking bee themed eyeshadow palette, and I was too lazy to write all the ingredients and like research everything because I have to hand this in like tomorrow. So I just scribbled a ton, and you know, the barcodes here, wrote some random numbers and the like expiry date. So I'm gonna open it up now. So basically, this is the lock. All you have to do is like pull this thing out. Fuck. Oh. Ooh. So here it says Made in America, as you can see, because America is amazing. Here's the big reveal of the inside. Okay, as you can see, this is my eyeshadows. Basically, all the eyeshadows are down the middle here. But I added, my favorite one is this, because like I added some some glitter, so that to symbolize highlighters. You know, there's some black here, some brown, some like red, you know, all the B colors, so that you guys can have a nice, I don't know, autumn look. Mirror, you can't really see anything, it's just black. These like little honeycomb designs. I honestly feel like I could have like made these look more neater, but I'm overall kind of proud of it. And I didn't know what color to use for the background, so I thought black would look good because black is neutral, and I didn't want it to be just white because then it'll get dirty. Yeah, basically that's my review for my eyeshadow palette. So if I ever become famous, or if I ever want to start like a makeup business or anything, I'm definitely going to be coming out with this, because honestly I feel like it's a really good idea, and I've never seen a beauty guru like make something like this with this design. So yeah, you know, it's a possibility. Most of the materials that I used to make this eyeshadow palette was mounting board, cardboard, art block, and paint. This part here is actually cardboard. I layered it, as you can see here. There's like this white layer that's the cardboard, and I wrapped it in art block, as you guessed. And yeah, the glues that I used were basically hot glue gun, some just really strong glue. Definitely don't use glue sticks or cheap glue. Use strong glue so that it holds together. This is the end product. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, even though it was just me rambling on and showing you how dirty my room was. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned to another video on my channel, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye!